Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I want to appreciate you all for turning up for this great event. It is not easy to receive the notification and you come up here. Please, I want us to give ourselves a round of applause. I want us to have a warm environment because this place looks like it was very dull. So shake somebody, shake anybody around you, say you are blessed. Shake the person, say you are blessed. Shake another person, say it shall be permanent. It shall be permanent. But please, hold on. Before you do that, check the person's condition. Before you tell somebody it shall be permanent, check the person's condition. Because it's not every condition shall be permanent. I swear, if you talk to me and say it shall be permanent, I will say back to sender, I slap you. Because this kind of condition will make me travel down, come here, come the hustle. And you say it shall be permanent. You want to make I remain like this, God will punish you. My condition cannot be permanent when I have people like this. And I have people like Father, people like Bongo. My condition can't be permanent for what? It shall not be permanent. You know, that is one thing about Nigerian churches. When you go to a church in Nigeria, when the pastor is preaching and the pastor is giving all these miracles, make sure you listen before you shout amen. I'm talking to the ladies now. Hello, ladies. I can hear the voices, even though some sound like pussycat. but at least I heard some voice. So when you go to a church and the pastor is prophesying, listen deep before you shout amen. Ladies make mistakes a lot. I was in a church one time, way back in Lagos when we were hustling, trying to become something for ourselves, I came to this crusade and the pastor was like, I can see a young man somewhere. This young man, you have been struggling so much and God has recognized you. Young man, you have a car key of your choice. Even the young men, sometimes when the prophecy come, you try to evaluate it. We did not even ask the type of car, but every young man on that angle began to shout, amen, amen. And the pastor started again. I see one young lady on my far left. Young lady, you are blessed. God has granted you your heart desire. All the young ladies on that angle, amen, amen. Pastor started again. I see one young lady wearing blue. Young lady, you are blessed. Young lady, I want you to come out here for miracle. This is your night. Young lady, you have all the young ladies on that aisle wearing blue started rushing out. They didn't wait to hear the pastor, what the pastor would say that is affecting the young lady. They were just rushing out. Even some of them borrowed money to come and sow seed on the altar when they get to the altar. As they were jumping to come to the altar, and the pastor said, that young lady, you have HIV and AIDS, some of them who turn you turn. As they were shouting, amen, 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 talk to amen, God forbid, amen, God forbid, amen, God forbid. So sometimes you listen deep before you fall out. I see, when I came here, I saw these seats decorated with white and green. I say, yes, this is patriotism. This is absolute patriotism. I am a proud Nigerian. So if you're proud to be a Nigerian, please give Nigeria a round of applause. Whether you like it or not, Nigeria is the best country in the world. Believe it or leave it. Nigeria is the most wonderful country in the world. After Nigeria, America follow. Please give Nigeria a round of applause. See the members of the Shito country. They are clapping. Nigeria is the only country in the world where you see a madman controlling traffic. Reasonable people will obey. Three of us. Does it not happen? That is one thing I love about Nigeria. Nigeria is so wonderful. Unimaginable things. Even our Nigerian movies, Nollywood movies. Me, I'm a Nollywood actor. And I'm proud to be a Nollywood actor. It's only in our movie, in our Nollywood movie, where you will see in a movie somebody engaged in a motor accident and then the motor jammed a wall and the person inside the motor would die, but the motor did not have a scratch. Have you not seen it before? Sometimes, even when they bring out the person from the motor, the person had wounds on his leg. They take him to his hospital, they wrap bandage on his head. That is Nollywood movie. We are proud to be doing it. Please put your hands together for Nollywood stars. Is it easy? Is it easy to disappear and appear? Who they do? Confirm. You see, that is why even in Nigeria, poverty in Nigeria get level. When you are poor in Nigeria, your life, get meaning. There is a difference between a poor man and a rich man. Simple, anywhere in the world. Now, when you see a rich man, even the kind of car a rich man drives, very early in the morning, you see a rich man just come out from his house, especially right here in America. You know, the cold and the snow for this country make me humble me. Anyway, when a rich man come out and he wants to warm up his car in the morning, he will just press the remote and the car will just start up. And you hear and the noise will cease and the car will start steaming up. But when a poor man wake up in the morning, he wants to start his engine, child. Every neighbor will know. First of all, poor man enter a car. He go call the thing for a mind, he go start. He go put key for ignition, come start the engine. The car go begin laughing. And when the battery don't go down because of the weather, then the laugh will come to reduce. Put it off. You go see the man go begin calling. Other Mike in there. Other Mike, oh my God, also. Begin with 12-13. Come go to the Shiba This is a poor man life for you. And then when the man don't give her the screwdriver, my neighbor they do me that instead. I go still give this man screwdriver. The next thing go still call me again. MCS, I beg your children they close. May they come help me give this motor line. I go come wake up my kids when they sleep, push the car. They go come they push this car. The man go they come they give them command. Na many a go also. You go they give one a command. That is poverty. And that reminds me of those days when I was small. I was born in I was not raised with a silver spoon. Let me be honest with you. Now poverty make me discover my talent. If I was not poor, if my father was Dangote or Bill Gates or something, I wouldn't have been a comedian. I would have been somewhere squandering the money. My brother, you know what I mean? You know, just the way you do. It's a problem. Now, some of us here are opportune to grow up from a family where you were raised with a silver spoon or whatever spoon, even wooden spoon, I don't care. You know, but it's a privilege. But let me tell you, if you are raised, if you like, as we grow now, as we did now, all of us, I want to give us an advice because sometimes I don't crack joke, I give advice. If you train your child in a private school, your child will disgrace you privately. And if you train your child in a public school, your child will disgrace you publicly. Let me give you the difference between a private and a public school. You know, you might not notice the difference right here in this country because everywhere is developed. But when you come to Nigeria, private schools are those schools where they use English to teach English. When kids come and they say, A is for apple, what did I say? The children will reply, A is for apple. But public schools are those schools where they use Igbo to teach English. A is for apple. Ashim nene. Our children will reply. That is public school for you. When you come to a private school, you know, when you call 1 or 2, 3 kids to come and recite a nursery rhymes in a private school, you call even their names differ. In a private school, you hear names like Anderson, Clinton, Kelvin, Christian. You know, even when they want to answer native names, you hear names like Gamhareda, Chimamanda, you know, all beautiful names. But when you come to a public school, if you hear them, you don't know whether a name like incantation. Your name like Obom Neke. Or then Akuluchuku. Nothing like Luchuku, China. These are the kind of names you hear in a public school. You call a child from a private school. Clinton, yes, auntie. When you even ask question, who can recite A is for apple? Everybody will say, auntie, I. Because they all know it. Very intelligent, bright children. You say, Clinton, can you come forward? You go see the child go bounce. Come forward. Can you recite A is for apple? Okay, auntie. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for goat. H is for house. Now so you go sing to H, Z. Everybody will say, thank you, Clayton. God bless you. He will go back to his seat. Come to a public school. Public school teachers, they are always aggressive. They don't have that mutual understanding between a pupil and a teacher. Teacher go enter class, he go bone face. Because the government have not paid him. He has left the schooling sector to turn to farmer or something else. Sometimes he even converts the children to farm in his farmland. It's a problem. You know? So when the teacher enter class, everybody go bone. You know, when a teacher comes into class in a private school, you see the children will hear, bang, 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 good morning, auntie, we are happy to see you, God bless you, true of us. I don't see you go private school now, you know. But when you come to a public school, teacher enter class, everybody they make noise, you they hear things like, no peace, noise everywhere, you don't know whether a market or a school. Teacher will come enter with aggression. You can say, Tina Kale! That one will say, hey, but Bianca Tina Kale, idiot. You go see the child, you go, I come. Mbagwan, Goran, you hear, I grow, now for Graga. That one, Nicky. I hope so, I don't understand. Nobody is below 16 right here. You know? My brother did too much. You want to know I'm not here, my brother. You know, then the teacher will come with, can you recite A is for apple? You know, with tears and anger and the whole environment where the boy did, the boy will begin to say, my head is for apple, my O is for Okoroko or Odo. B is for Polo, M is for Mam, N is for Nam. Now so the boy will talk and say, Z is for Chimsi Abodai and Pam, thank you. Even the teacher will tell us that Chile can so long in the I mean, it's a problem. When you come to a private school, you want to listen to poems. Sometimes when I go private schools, I just pass. I will just hear poems like, Pawpaw is a kind of fruit, sweet like sugar, yellow like Fanta, everybody like Pawpaw. Pawpaw, who know I'm going to do? There are two little blackbirds sitting on the wall. One name, fly away, Ash, fly away. DJ, God will bless you. You know, these are kind of poems you hear on the program, you know. I will never tell lies to daddy because my younger was still for my mommy's for Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of. Jack fell down and broke his limb and Jill kept tumbling. On my own. See them, people from Pichu. So, but when you come to a public school, don't call out one public begin. Make it come recite poem. The kind of poem where you hear, you don't know whether a poem might be like incantation. You hear something like Oye Kushi Lelakam, 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 Oye Kushi Lelakam, Lekola Moriota, Oye Kushi Lelese, 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 Oye Kushi Lelese, Lekola Moriota. 2 times 1, Tapranute, Alhaji Wola Wosa, Zona Goro, Mbakwe, Mbakwe, Kata Goro, Nyemunya, Chinya, Shaw, Thank you. Okay, now sit down on the motor. Okay, Wolo driver. But sit down with conductor. Let's say photo. Please, I want us to separate Paul from Barnabas. It's very simple. I want to understand people that attended private school and people that attended public school. So let us do this thing together. Let us bring our senses back to the good old days. Just give me 2 minutes. If I pass 2 minutes, cut me. In fact, embarrass me. All right, we are going to do DJ. Now this is it. See your head like Baba Fry. You know, when you see a big man, you shake a big man, you'll be like a big man. My brother, as I shake you right now, I believe that whatever that is impacted in you, that made you who you are, will be transferred unto me. Can somebody say amen? My brother, let your left hand go into your pocket and begin to move. My brother, let your left hand move. My brother, don't stand still. Don't do like you don't understand what I'm saying. The person next to you begin to shake yourself because I'm talking to you. This is the word of the gospel. If you are under the influence of my voice and you are not moving, something is wrong with you. If you are not laughing this night, your problem is bigger than my comedy. Then right now, begin to move, my brother. I never see your hand. I never see your hand come with something. Are you here? Can somebody say Can somebody say yame? Can somebody say yame? My brother, because somebody else's home. My brother, you know what I was talking about. I was here and you Yanga. So you all know what I was talking about. Begin to move. My brother, begin to move. Why are you doing like you don't understand the inspiration of the gospel? This is what the only language that we understand. Begin to move. You know, coming to New Jersey today, my friends back home, we are never been from. We never been in bed. You are too much. My brother, let me tell you one thing. Hey!
Thank you. Hey!
Slow down. You know why I shouted? My brother, God will punish you. God will bless you. God will elevate you. Where you are going will be better than where you're coming from. Can somebody say amen? Where you have touched, people will struggle to touch. Believe what I'm telling you. Are you under the influence of my voice? Believe me, you are blessed. You are lifted. Chineke doesn't give you There are people in the gathering that when you come to a gathering like this and you meet people, it will be very unconstitutional if you don't recognize them. And if you don't mingle with them, it is absolutely unconditional. But I am not trying to take over the program.
Thank you, MCS. 2 minutes don't pass.
Remember.